I just wanted to show you the new toy I bought for myself for my birthday. It's the Anycubic Vyper 3D printer. You can see right there. Sorry, my mess. I'm having to rearrange my office to fit all of this. I had retired the XYZ printing mini, and I'm going to give it to my youngest son so he can play around with it. But this is the first test print on this printer, and it's doing the owl. As you can see, looks pretty good so far. But I had it didn't take much. It was like 7 screws to put it together, and does auto leveling. So, and then this build plate is magnetic. It'll lift off, so you can remove that. So I'm going to try to do some other prints here later this afternoon, but I'm just trying to get used to it. It uses it's more PC than I'm used to. It does have a USB connection, but they recommended using the SD card, which is right there. So you just use Cura to slice it, and then you transfer it to the SD card, and they give you an SD card reader for doing that. And then you plug it in, and it'll show up here on the this is status of the print, but it shows up in a list up on the this LCD display, and you just pick that and say tell it to print. So as you can tell, I'm using some Hatchbox PLA right now. So anyway, that's where it stands. I'll show it to you later. Bye. And it's now finished. So let me, there it is. And there's the owl. Actually, it come up, I'm pretty impressed with it. So that's the first print. I'm going to print some windows here next, and we'll show you then. Bye. My next test was I did some N-scale windows for a revamped post office background building I'm doing. I think it did the windows pretty good. So I'm going to remove them, and then I'm going to do some more printing. Bye.